Today we are making chocolate chip peppermint ice cream. Let's get to it. 2 cups of heavy cream. Not really heavy. And 1 cup of milk. We need 3/4 cup of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Turn your ice cream maker on. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Then push start. While your ice cream maker is mixing, crush some peppermint candies so that you have 1/2 cup. Get your chocolate chips ready. You need 3/4 cup. Get a 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Make sure you wash your mint leaves. Chop off your mint leaves into teeny tiny pieces. You're also going to need peppermint extract. When your ice cream maker has finished, pour in your additions while it's turning for 5 more minutes. Put 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Add in your crushed peppermint. Then your chocolate chips. Then your peppermint leaves. You can add a drop of food coloring if you want. Once your ice cream is finished, put it in the freezer for 2 hours. Taste test. It's really minty. I love the chocolate in it. It's good. What's up? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this delicious ice cream. This video is sponsored by Grandpa. He gave us this ice cream maker. Thanks, Grandpa. Like and subscribe. Peppermint candies. What am I supposed to say? I forgot. Make me what?